Hi there, Kira here with an unboxing video for my May Wild Hare kits. So I'm not gonna lie, I did open this and look at it all already, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's my favorite kit I've ever gotten ever in my entire life. It is amazing. So let's just jump right in. Oh, actually, let's read what I said in my style profile. So if you guys still haven't checked out the Wild Hare kits, you definitely should, and check out the style profile and see, you know, kind of what I do every month, what I ask for, and what kind of things you can ask for in your kits. So when you get your receipt, it looks something like this. This is all the questions you fill out, and kind of getting a feel for what you're looking for in a kit. And then these questions on here are kind of what changes for me every month, because I mean really like everything is kind of the same every month. I don't really like alphabet stickers. I don't, you know, I like dimensional things and things with texture, and you know, you guys know what I like really, and so does Allison at this point. So I don't need to like really read you everything that I say every month, but this kind of changes every month. So it says, tell us about what types of projects you have coming up, and I said just everyday photos, but while most of the country is complaining that spring won't arrive, and I don't know if that's true for you guys, a lot of people are still getting snow and things like that, and here in San Antonio, I said it's straight up summer here, because it is. It's 80, 90 degrees outside, sunny every day. We're outside in the pool, the sprinkler, you know, enjoying summer, which in San Antonio, you kind of get two summers. You get like summer number one, which is like what most people's summers are like, and then summer number two is like where you can't leave the house because it's like 110 degrees and like humidity is like 75%. It's crazy. Anyways, enough about that. So I said, which means we're outside every day playing in the pool or sprinkler, and I take a lot of photos when we do our weekly walk along the San Antonio River, which has a very tropical vibe. So I'm digging the new Wild Heart collection, and if you guys haven't seen this entire collection, I got a lot of it here, but if you haven't seen all of it, you should definitely go check it out. It is my current favorite collection ever. And then it says, is there anything else you want your curator to know? And I said, I prefer 6x6 paper pads to 12x12 papers. Not opposed to 12x12 though. So I know sometimes she doesn't get the 6x6 paper pads. So I'm okay with other pattern papers, but I prefer 6x6. And you know, anything with texture, because that is something I love in every kit. So that is what I said in my style profile, and then here is my kit. So I'm just gonna work from the big stuff up, I guess. So I got the, oh, and sorry, let's read my invoice, because there's always a little note here from Allison. She said, hi Kira, I loaded you up on goodies from Wild Heart this month, and I love the way the chipboard from the Flourish collection coordinates. I saw how much fun you had with mixed media last month, so I sent another stencil. This time it's a set of 3, and the pink fresh tassels fairly scream your name. Enjoy, Allison. So this is the chipboard from the Flourish collection, which I did not get. I've got most of the Flourish collection in previous kits in the past, but I have not gotten the 12x12 chipboard, and I really haven't gotten any chipboard in any kit in a while, and I love chipboard because it's so thick and dimensional. So I'm really excited to play with this. I love these little houses, and these little animals are really cute. We've got a lot of birds in our backyard right now, and I just think this will be really fun to play with. Slide that over. Ooh, so this is one of the specialty papers from the Wild Heart collection. This side is kind of just like looks like a paintbrush streaks kind of on there. But this side is this foiled, gold foiled, like palm frond pattern, and I love that. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Gorgeous. And then I did get the 6x8 paper pad from Wild Heart, and it's so pretty, you guys. There is gold foiling on a lot of these papers too, and I'll do a really quick flip through for you. All right, so that's the 6x6 paper pad, and the reason I like the 6x6 papers versus the 12x12 papers is because I do a lot of like cut files and backing cut files, and I just prefer the smaller prints to the larger prints when it comes to that. So that's why I prefer those instead. The stencil is amazing. So this is a Vicky Bouton stencil, and there's 3 stencils that are included on here. The first one is this flower one. I'll just take these out so you can see them all a little bit better. So there's flowers, butterflies, which are amazing too, and then this circle pattern, just amazing as well. They're all amazing. Anything Vicky Bouton makes is amazing. So I'm really excited about this. I love, they're nice and thick, these stencils, and they also have a hole punch, a 3-hole punch, so you can put them in a little binder, which I think is great. And I'm probably gonna have to get a binder for my stencils because they're starting to add up now. I've actually been collecting quite a few. I got the Wild Heart ephemera, and I love this ephemera pack. There are vellum pieces and cardstock pieces included in this, and this is my favorite piece in the entire pack because it says goodness, but it's like split, so it looks like goodness, like my last name. So it's really cool, and it's got all these little like tropical leaves, and like I said, this collection is just perfect for our pictures here in San Antonio and just kind of the kind of tropical vibe this place has. Puffy stickers from the Wild Heart collection. I really have been enjoying the puffy stickers from the Crate Paper collections lately because they're like a lot bigger, and they just got like this textured feel to them, and I just really like the look of them. I think they're really neat. The paper clips, which are super fun. I love these little glittery palm fronds, but they're all super cute, and I think they'll be really fun elements to add to my pages. The Pink Fresh Studio tassel bows from the BU collection. This is what Allison mentioned in her little note to me, and I do love these little tassel bows. If you guys follow Rebecca Luminarius, I think is how you say your last name. She's Thurston Post on Instagram, and she uses these a lot in her packaging and stuff, and it turns out really cute. But I really like the added texture and dimension that adds. And lastly, my kit. I got a stamp set. This is the Wild Hare stamp, and Wild Hare. I keep saying Wild Hare. Wild Heart stamp set, and I love it. I love all these leaves, different size leaves, and I love stamps, and you guys know I stamp a lot, so I'm really excited to use this and add some cool elements to my pages. So that's my kit for this month. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, this is probably my favorite kit that I've ever gotten. It is just so perfect, and just perfect for the type of pictures that I take. So I'm really excited to create with it, and I can't wait to show you guys some process videos using it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but I will link everything about Wild Hare in the description box. And I will see you guys soon with some process videos. Have a good day. Bye.